Joseph Flannery, CEO of SELFi.com, and this is Lifting the Curtain on Mortgage Lending. Here are the top 2 mistakes that I see homeowners make when they refinance their mortgage. Number 1, they just choose the wrong company. They perhaps just go with a lender that they make their mortgage payments to, or they go with a big bank where they have their savings account, and they fail to shop. Actually, 46% of consumers fail to compare interest rates with multiple mortgage companies. And I can give you an example. So SELFi.com is basically a marketplace where lenders come to you, where you can search interest rates across different lenders. And so if you would get your mortgage from Quicken Loans, but through SELFi.com, your interest rate is going to be about 0.65 to 0.75% less than if you were to go directly to Quicken Loans. So it's just an example of how comparison shopping really does help you save the most money on your refinance. The number 2 mistake that I see people make is they just choose the wrong interest rate. Normally, people are so focused on getting the lowest rate possible, even if that means paying out of pocket, paying origination fees, points, and probably that homeowner would have been better off choosing an interest rate that actually provides a lender credit to cover all the costs. So, for example, if I'm going to refinance my own mortgage, unless I think this is like the last refinance I'll ever do, the refinance that I'll do is I'll take basically a lender credit to cover everything. They'll cover the title fees, the recording charge, even the new escrow account. So it's almost like the lender is paying me to refinance. I get cash to refinance. But most people are so focused on just getting the lowest interest rate that they end up paying origination fees and discount points to get that rate. And the reality is you could refinance, lower your rate, potentially have 0 closing costs, even have negative closing costs. It's a real thing. And then you could just wait to see if rates ever go even lower than that point and do it again. And that's kind of how I approach my own mortgage plan is, whenever I can refinance without paying a dime in closing costs, even if it's only 0.25%, that's a benefit. But for me, I'm not, afraid of refinancing. It's a very easy, process to do. So that's really my take here for the top 2 mistakes that I see when people refinance their mortgage. And stay tuned for more lifting the curtain on mortgage lending.